Hey guys, welcome back. And there is another Stroudsburg train coming today. There he is being silly. Well, John, do not get on camera too. Don't ask me to get you on camera too much because the train's getting pretty close. Oh my God, there's idiots that even see the train and they're crossing. Actually, it's a good distance away, so I guess they could cross. There's a kid standing on the tracks. There's a kid standing on the tracks, guys.
Yeah, there is.
There's people crossing when they see the train.
Oh my God, so good.
Look, they're gonna get hit.
Look at those dummies. They're making the train stop.
What are they doing? The train's over there. What idiots. I hear the bell, guys. It's coming, guys. How are those people still crossing?
How is it so slow, too? How is it that slow?
Oh, just go. Come on, guys.
He's waiting. Look, they were just walking there. Like.
Let me pause it till it gets close. Hey, guys. So I've unpaused it and it's getting closer now. Guys, it's getting here. Say hi to the camera.
Hey!
I didn't even get. There it goes, guys. He likes trains all of a sudden. He seriously hated trains, guys, but now he likes it. He likes them all of a sudden.
Here, Tony, you can like sit on the fence because the train track is like all the way over there. So.
I don't know if that's very safe.
It is. Trust me. See, look, it's not so bad.
Okay, guys. Well, I have to pause it until it gets a lock. There it goes, guys. We've been waiting for so long, and this train has finally gone by. We've been waiting literally 2 minutes for this train to go. Whoa, guys, we're getting pretty close to the train. We're not close at all, actually. It looks really close in person, though. Oh my God, this is a pretty long train. There we go. That is so. Bye guys, I really hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.